You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these words correctly in English and break down, clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more plant names, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. British English pronunciation. Dicotyledonous. Dicotyledonous. How to pronounce in English. English pronunciation. American English. Dicotyledonous. British English pronunciation. Dicotyledonous. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.